Completing the setup on Cash App after signing up is essential to start using the app effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you have everything ready to go. Step 1. Verify your phone number. Open the Cash App on your device and enter the phone number you used to sign up. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm your phone number. Step 2. Link your bank account. Navigate to the Banking tab in the app. Select Link Bank and follow the prompts to connect your bank account. You may need to provide your bank login details or account number and routing number. Step 3. Set up your Cash App username. Once your bank account is linked, create a unique username called the $hashtag. This is how others will identify you on Cash App. Choose a name that is easy to remember and share. Step 4. Add personal information. Go to your profile settings and add any required personal information, such as your name, email address, and date of birth. This information helps secure your account and may be needed for transactions. Step 5. Enable security features. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Now that you have completed this setup, you can start using Cash App to send and receive money, pay bills, and more. Enjoy your experience with the app.